Liko Lango Moja Wazi. That is the song that we are playing. I'm the key of F sharp. This is not the note key F sharp. Liko Lango Moja the chords. Liko Lango. The song is starting at key F sharp. Liko Lango. You have the melody. Liko Lango. That is number 6. You can see this note. This is E. Wazi. You see this passing chord? Passing chord. Then naote. The melody. The 6. I'm holding 2, and here I'm holding 6. Chorus. Lango nie, lango nie. So this is B. 6. Passing chord. Those are the chords. So to play the whole thing, Liko Lango Moja Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe. God bless you.